Hadi.
Bom dia, Boris. Bom dia, senhor. Bom dia, menina. It's Boris. Boris. You gonna be good? I don't think so. I did a little experiment. Something like that.
Bigger than we said, no?
What?
Maybe not.
Should be 19 and a half. That is great.
Lovely jubbly.
Lovely. Good. Maybe one project can go without redoing. Oh,
It's not finished yet.
jinxed it. And then you need to sink it a little, probably. Oh no, maybe a bigger one. Good. Good. Yeah, but if we have a little gap here, can I
That'll
just,
close.
can I just do it like this or no?
Well, I pulled you down.
No, it's fine. Yeah, you pulled it a little bit down, but it's okay. We'll make it work. As long as these are on the same height, because that's where the best is going.
We'll just have to do a... See, we can't pre-drill too much. What's that one?
But I can put 2 screws here, right?
Oh, so only that holding it, you mean, yeah?
Yeah, but then after we do
Oh,
this
I'll
one...
have to do that. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I would like that.
With 2 fingers.
Oh, shit.
What?
I went a bit far.
Oh. All good?
Yeah. Perfect, Philip.
You do. We're like the Mary.
Two professionals watching what you're doing. Okay, are we happy with the feet? It's all like freaking stable, huh?
It's stable.
It's not going anywhere.
For this.
Good, 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 good.
We're going to go here on the road. You good there? Yeah.
Oh, we first need some feet.
Yeah. Oh, they're not cut?
No.
No. Two little bits.
Little. Call them little.
So we're gonna do it up there again. Was it up
Oh,
there?
yeah. Oh, no. They need to go straight on.
Or was it? Oh, of course, yeah.
Want to be white boy?
What? I'm good with being
Yellow.
cappuccino. What?
Yellow.
Why yellow?
Because people in the Chinese store think you work there.
True.
And Chinese are yellow.
Should we flip him?
Can we already? I'm gonna lean on the foot.
Is that one done?
Of course.
We go there.
Of course.
We get 2 bits of wood and
Of course.
Like, no, I have to have the boss opinion, of course, but I don't know, like, needs to.
But they sound the same. A lot of words sound the same.
Yeah, just to come in there as well, yeah.
Like you. You don't want to go dance on the festival.
Dance?
You are
Oh,
afraid.
dance.
You are afraid to go on the stage. Stage fright?
Because I cannot dance.
Because you can dance, but you won't dance. You say that you can dance because you don't want.
I can't dance.
I saw you dance one time.
With what? You know. I don't know.
All of that bit.
What?
No, all of that. All of it.
Oh.
Here.
Can you like put it down or?
I
no?
forgot that.
And here, look.
So we're not the ones that miss it.
Not the only
When we
ones that
turned
miss
it,
Yeah, that's not it.
here's the same. Huh? All this side. Oh, that's Jasper. Nice.
Sorry.
Of course, blame it on the Jasper.
Who painted it? Who
Who paint around the legs?
Yeah.
Philip.
Me?
What? Philip.
Here and there. Same.
Yeah, because I was an inside. I
Oh,
told you I
sorry.
still need to do those.
Oh.
Well, then you had to paint, and I said we still need to do those.
Mm-hmm.
So now you forgot.
I'll do it.
Philip's blue. Da da di da.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got it. Good enough.
You ready, Boots?
Ready, boots.
Perfect.
Feito.
Perfect, perfect. Crazy, these big ants.
Yeah.
One bit of rain and they all come out.
Ja man.
Get the one.
Bye.
Bye. Bye Jess.
Boris. Anda.
Ciao Boris. Hi to mama. Vamos.
Anda. Wat queres ficar aí? Anda.
Now he doesn't want to go.
Yeah.
God. Are we making great progress or what? The shed looks very small all of a sudden with all these people in it. And the beds are almost done. Tomorrow we're gonna move them into the hotel and get some stuff from the shipping container. Hopefully I'm gonna get some room there. Akira, are you coming? I thought we would keep the theme going with the beds. The blue bed for the blue room, the green bed for the green room. They look pretty okay. Now we need to start dressing up the rooms and see what we still need to buy to make it a little bit comfortable. Going for a cookie? Hey, somebody found a cookie already.
Huh?
What are you eating?
Who?
Joey.
You want one? Sit.
Ooh. Wakadelish.